Wanting to get divorced but don't know where to start? I'm going to give you a quick guide of what to expect during the divorce process. In Arizona, divorces typically start with the filing of your initial petition for dissolution. So one party is going to decide, I'm ready for the divorce, and they're going to file that original petition. At that point, you'll have to serve the other side with the petition so that they have knowledge that you've initiated the proceedings. They'll then have an opportunity to respond to your petition and your allegations. After they've submitted their response, the court will typically set what we call a resolution management conference. A resolution management conference is just a short 5 to 10 minute hearing. It's a procedural hearing where we just discuss the procedures of the case. So we're not talking about the substance. This is not an evidentiary hearing or a trial. Typically, your attorney will do most of the talking for you during that resolution management conference. At that point, your case will typically undergo what we call the discovery and disclosure process. We want to figure out what your assets and debts look like, what your goals are for the case so that we can start prepping for final resolution. Once we have the discovery and disclosure complete, because Arizona is a complete disclosure state, meaning there are no surprises in the state of Arizona. You can't hide assets or debts from the other party. But once we have those things complete, we're going to shift into the mediation or the attempted settlement portion of your case. It's always better if we can come to agreements with the opposing party directly, rather than having to go through the court and have the judge make a decision pertaining to your property and your children. It's always better if we can lay out those guidelines and get them drafted up for you so that you guys can work through the more finite details. If we're not able to resolve your case at mediation or through settlement, we start to gear your case up for trial. And at Desert Legal Group, that's what we do. We hire really good trial attorneys. That's our primary focus. It's really what we do. If you look at our reviews online, you'll see that that's really a big focus for our law firm. But when your case needs to go for trial, we want to make sure you're prepared for trial. You know exactly what you're walking into and that we're able to present the best case we can in front of the court. Regardless of what stage you're at in the dissolution proceedings, we're here to help. Reach out to us at Desert Legal Group. We'd love to chat with you about your case.